guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Vivian Glendali, and in today's video I'm gonna be cleaning, not the usual cleaning everyday cleanup, but I'm going to declutter and clean out some of my cabinets, kitchen cabinets, and go through them and clean those. And also I want to move my big appliance like the refrigerator and stove and clean on the back of them, under them. So it's like I'm starting spring cleaning early for me because I have so much stuff to do in the house, so I really wanted to clean and declutter some of my cabinets that really need, not all of them in the kitchen, but some of them specifically that really need my attention. So yeah, and before I start doing that, I want just clear out some sauce and pans that I had in the stove and stuff like that, and some dishes that I have. So I really wanted to do those before I started doing the major cleanup, because I don't know if you are like me, I like to start, if it's the kitchen, I like to, and there's some dishes, I like to just clean those out, so like that I have clean countertops and just focus on the task that I want to do that day.
I can see you far and wide across the ocean, above the clouds. In your presence I am free. I hear your whisper through the wind. Here right now, there's no place that I would rather be. So let this moment last. I've searched myself, I've tried to figure out who I am,
And here I'm just moving the stove and the island. Yes, the island is movable. And guys, look at this mess. If I'm being real with you, I have not cleaned here since we bought this stove. It was like probably a year or two now. So I knew I really need to clean this stove in the sides, and also like you saw that mess that was there. So, but yeah, this is the reason I wanted to do it. I knew I had to do it because when I clean the stove every day in the countertop, I could see in the edges as it was dirty, and I said, yeah, it needs. Plus, like I say, I'm doing some spring cleaning early. This is something that we don't do every day, so I really wanted just to do this and clean it up. But I cannot believe how much garbage I found. And wait until I move the refrigerator. Oh my goodness, guys. Don't come to me, don't judge me. But yeah. And yes, like I was saying, the island, like you see right there, oh my goodness. Yes, it needed my attention very badly. But yeah, the island in my kitchen is movable because when we painted the kitchen, um my husband and we bought that cabinet, and then he finished it up in the top, and made it an island for my kitchen because I wanted one. So but yeah, that's why you see that the island is movable. But yes, guys, look how dirty this area was. So I'm very, very glad that I decided to do this um this week. I'm just gonna use a little bit of Dawn and hot water. That's it. Maybe you later gonna see me using another product. Oh, let me see, what was it? Oh yes, it was the Method antibacteria all-purpose cleaner, because I thought it's probably helped me, and I used it most of it, I think, in the wall in my stove. But yeah, most of it was hot water and Dawn. So yeah, that's what I was using.
I can feel there is somebody here, and he's watching over me tonight as he takes away my fears, lets me know there's a heaven up there. Yeah, he's reaching out his hand to me to wash away my tears. Oh, I know you.
Oh my goodness, you guys, look how clean. It looks new. It looks new to me. I did need to scrub in some area because the oil, is, I don't know, it's so sticky. So I did scrub a little bit. But yeah, I am so happy with the results. It looks brand new. Look at this, guys. It looks great. I'm very happy. Now when I'm cooking and stuff, I know under my stove is very clean as well. So yeah, I hope this motivate you guys to, tackle stuff in your house. If you're planning to do this job that I'm doing now, go ahead and do it. It's so worth it. After you clean it up, it is so worth it.
Know that I'm fine just the way he made me. Every perfect imperfection is all because of him. Oh, I know you, and I praise you. Got my arms open for your love. Oh, I want to be near you. I hear angels from above. They sing hallelujah. They sing hallelujah.
guys, I'm moving the refrigerator back, and don't worry, it was okay. I was safe. But guys, look at this. I was like, I didn't know what to think when I saw those crackers there. Like, how are those crackers got under there? I don't know. Do not ask me in the comments. I do not know. But oh my goodness, I was shocked that the refrigerator underneath was like this. But yeah, I wasn't even sure I wanted to show you guys. I'm like, oh my god, what embarrassing. But I'm trying to show you guys, my real life. This is how it is. So yeah, let's clean this mess. And a quick note, guys, this area was very bad to clean. It was very sticky, like I don't know what to say. It's like the dust got stuck in there and it was so sticky. So what I did, I grabbed my cleaning little brush. It's just a toothbrush, a kid toothbrush, the old toothbrush that I use, just to clean around those corners that I can. But I used that and I'm vacuuming, and it did a great job. I just wanted to mention that.
Who am I that the maker of heaven wouldn't love me and know me by name? In a world where I feel like a stranger, his love came and found me this.
And here, guys, is the next day. I couldn't, clean everything and declutter the cabinet like I wanted to in one day. Like I said, this is a real time for me, so I'm not. Sometimes I would love. Let me know if you like me. Like, I would love to do like the whole kitchen in one day, but I couldn't. I'm a mom, and I have, by the time I finished, I think was the refrigerator. I was time for me to pick up my babies, and I say my babies, but it's my Jonah and my daughter. They're already big, but yeah, from school and everything, and then my time goes with them or for them. So this was the next day, and you're gonna see this kitchen took me to declutter the cabinets and then do everything that I wanted to do, and to completely clean my kitchen. Very good. It took me a couple, I think it was like 3, 4, 5 days, I think. You'll see different outfit, but that's the reason. I did this kitchen in one day. That would be crazy, especially the amount of work that I wanted it to do. I wanted to declutter. Like you see right now, I was doing the medicine cabinet. That's one of the areas that I really wanted to get to. I knew that there was medication there that was expired already, and I love to go through that. Couple here and then a couple of months, I like to go through it and just see what's still good, what's still not good. And like, this is the area that I keep my medicine. everything, like the bandages. Oh my goodness, when I cleaned this, I was, oh my god, I have so many bandages. But I'm a mom, so I like to have those on hands, especially in the summer stuff when we go or anywhere, right? The season we go anything, I always like to have my bandages for my kids. But yeah, it took me a couple of days, and as you can see, this is everything that I took for the medicine cabinets. um like I said, I have those. That's the area that I always keep it. It works for me. I know people have them in the in the bathroom if you have like a medicine cabinet there. But for me, my house is small one, and the kid down we only have one bathroom, and the bathroom is small, and I do not have a medicine cabinet there as well. So years ago when we moved to this house, I get this for the medicine, and I always grab it, put it up there because of my kids. But now my kids are bigger, so now I put it in also in the side. So that is the area for my medicine cabinet. So here in this cabinet, I usually house my, like in the top, I usually put like napkins, paper plate. In the middle, I put my, sandwich bag, freezer bags, paper foil, all that stuff. And then in the bottom, like the first shelf, is usually my seasoning, like the salt, pepper, everything I use to cook. But guys, oh, it was a lot of stuff. I was showing you right here. There was a lot of stuff that I was finding that I totally forgot about. It, like this set of cupcake liners that I had bought like a couple of, I say a year or two. I totally forgot those, like silicones. So yeah, oh, there was a lot of stuff. I'll show you later on. There was a lot of stuff there, so you can see in the counter. Oh my goodness! But yeah, crazy how much stuff was in there. This really needed my attention. So, and then I also wanted to go to the condiments and stuff like that. And most of them was expired already, so it was a good thing for me to just go through that. But yeah, this thing, it doesn't look like it house a much stuff, but it does. Look how crazy that is. Oh, I even found stuff that, like this pincho things that we use, when we make, I think you call it kebab in English. When we do pincho, those wooden sticks. I always buy, I think for my quinceañera birthday for my daughter, I bought some for her fruit and everything, and I have plenty up there. Like I have wooden stick for the whole summer when we make those kebabs, or pincho as we call them.
Wandering and fading, I know there is something more than this. I think I am ready for doing some changing. Oh God, there is something more than this. You can have all the world. I wanna be a shining light, that shows through the darkness, a fire burning in the night. Be a hope for the world so broken. Be a friend to the lonely, the joy that he showed me. Make the broken things new. Yeah, the only hope for you and I wanna have the heart of Jesus. Yeah. Of the broken, I know they were made for more than this. I see all the fire and smoke, and their hearts are losing hope. Yeah, I know it's hard. I wanna be a shining light, live a life that shows through the darkness, the fire burning in the night. Hope for a world so broken. Be a friend to the lonely, the joy that he showed me. Make the broken things new. Yeah, the only hope for you and I wanna have the heart of Jesus. Yeah, I wanna have the heart of Jesus. Oh yeah. I wanna have the heart of Jesus. You can have all the world. You can have all the world. I wanna be a shining light, live a life that shows through the darkness, a fire burning in the night. Be a hope for for a world so broken. Be a friend to the lonely, the joy that he showed me. Make the broken things new. Yeah, the only hope for you and I wanna have the heart of Jesus. Yeah, I wanna have the heart of Jesus. I wanna have the heart of.
Okay guys, so this was the last day that I completed my kitchen. I really wanted it to go through this area as well. As you can see, it's very dirty. I did declutter this a couple of months ago when I did my kitchen as well, but it needed it, I clean up a little bit. As you can see, everything has crumbs and it's dirty, so I'm gonna just go ahead and clean that, and also take some stuff that I don't want there no more. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. And then I'm also gonna go through this day through my island as well. I also want to go ahead and take some stuff from there that I'm not no longer in use. So yeah, I'm gonna try to complete this kitchen today.
Morning has broken, my windows are open. Wanna feel the wind blow through my hair. Which way do I follow? What happens tomorrow? I turn to you and hope you can guide the way. Sometimes I give up, just wanna be on my own. Even in the darkest times, you give me hope. So I lean on you when I'm lost my way. I keep holding on for a better day. I lean on you when the world's astray. I left my heart open so you hear my prayer. I left my heart open so you hear my prayer. In times that are changing and when hope is fading, I know I can turn to your embrace. 'Cause there's so much beauty under your heaven, and I'm grateful every day. Sometimes I give up, just wanna be on my own. Even in the darkest times, you give me hope. So I lean on you when I'm lost my way. I keep holding on for a better day. I lean on you when the world's astray. I left my heart open so you hear my prayer. I left my heart open so you hear my prayer. I lean on you and I'm lost my way. I keep holding on for a better day. I lean on you when the world's astray. I left my heart open so you hear my prayer. I left my heart open so you hear my
Show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, this is all we got. Show me life, show me love, this is all we got. Show me love, show me love, this is all we got. Show me me love.
This is all
We got show me love. This is all we got. Show me love. Show me life. Show me love. This is all we got. Sometimes life will push you down, make you fall onto the ground. But I know you will turn it around. Oh, this is all we got. And I know you'll make mistakes, get interference and lose your way. Find the light.
Okay guys, so this is the stuff that I'm not gonna keep. I'm thinking about a Spider-Man for my Joey, but yeah, this is some bottles that I bought a lot of, like a couple of years ago, thinking I'm gonna use it. And then these from Six Flags, and I'm gonna give those away or throw some of them away to recyclables. So but yeah, now this is the evening. Like I mentioned, this took me I think the whole week it took me to, declutter. Like I really wanted this kitchen and also clean the back of my appliances. So but this is the evening. I took a break. Like I said, this was a Saturday, and me and my husband's at work, my kids are home. Well, not at work. My husband's at home, and then my kids are home as well. So we took a break, and we went out and eat and stuff like that. So we spent some time together, and now it's the evening. So I'm gonna finish by, cleaning the cabinet door, because as you saw, they are very filthy.
Find the light when it rains. Oh, this is all we got. Show me life, show me love, make a change. Time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, show me life, show me love, make a change. Time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love. This is all we got. Show me life, show me love. This is all we got. Show me love. This is all we got. Show me love.
This is all
We got show me love. This is all we got. Show me love. Show me life.
Okay guys, so this will be the end of my video. I hope that you liked it and that motivate you guys today. And if you did like it, please don't forget to hit that like button, and also if you haven't done so, subscribe and hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I post new video. And also leave a comment below and let me know if you already started spring cleaning and what have you started with. Okay guys, so I'll see you next time. Bye.